If you've ever wondered how to analyze a new construction project or a ground up development project and you're not really sure where to start, then this is the video for you. In this video, I am going to walk you through the exact pro forma that I use when I'm analyzing a deal before I ever do anything, whether it's put something under contract, make an offer. I use this sheet to analyze the deal and to gauge the profitability. I'm also going to walk you through a budget sheet that I use that takes construction hard costs and shows me exactly what my parts and pieces are, what my labor is, and what my material is on the construction side. Stick with me on this video. It's going to be very tactical. If you're new to the channel, my name is David. I've been in the real estate space for over 20 years. Last year, I did over 14 million in fix and flips with my brother. The 4 years prior, I did over 30 million in ground up development. And I do these videos to show you guys the profitability inside of new construction and ground up development projects, legacy projects, high profit, high margin projects that you can be proud of. Stick with me. It's going to get tedious. Let's dive right into it. First line item is our land cost. On this particular deal that I'm showing you, land cost is $950,000. I have this here that just shows me the percentage of the total cost, but we won't get into that. Land acquisition is pretty straightforward. Construction. So this is the budget I'm going to take you through here in a minute. And the budget I'm showing you is actually a different project, but you'll get to see what the parts and pieces material list looks like, labor as well. Here's our carry cost during construction. So during construction, because you don't take all the money at once, but the draws are, you take the draws down incrementally, then you're not paying 100%. You're not paying interest on 100% of the money that you're borrowing. So this carry is also going to include your builder's insurance. It includes interest payments. And then this is a 12-month period of time that I have built into this because that's how long construction is. This is a bigger single-family home. This carry is for days on market. Again, I take the average days on market for the area, for the price point of the home I'm building, and that tells me that it's going to be around 180 days. That's actually on the high end, but being conservative, days on market are 130, so I'm budgeting in 180 days. 112,005 on this particular deal. Soft cost, this is my plans, my architectural, and my permitting fees. Drawings are about 25 and permits are about 25. Developer fee, this is right around 4%, as you can see here. This is what I pay myself during the project for a management fee. Here's our total cost prior to commissions. Here is our total cost with commissions. So we are all into this project for a total of just under 2.8. Fair market value, this is based on an appraisal that we have, says this home in this particular market is worth 3.6 million. So our gross profit after commissions is $800,000. Now, I'm also going to show you what these returns are, and then we'll move into the budget sheet. So ROI on total project is 31%. Our return on equity is 153%, which is not too shabby. Now, this is more gets into how the loan is structured. For example, the bank is giving us 80% towards the land cost. We have to contribute 20% of the land, and they're giving us 100% of construction. So our total loan amount for acquisition and development, our total loan amount for acquisition and construction is right around $2 million. So as you can see, it's a pretty sweet deal. Over a 30% return and 153% return on cash invested. This is a pretty unique deal. Like the profitability here it's pretty good. All right, so I'm going to jump into the budget that we use. This is a cost estimate that I got back recently, and I thought it'd be great for this video so you guys can see what these budgets look like. This is a large project, so just you don't be intimidated by the dollar amounts here. Okay. Here is the summary overview of all of the trades. Here's our masonry guy, here's our metal, there's our appliance packages. For this particular project, there's almost $50,000 in appliances. HVAC, this shows me the total trade cost. So this is each category, each stage or phase of construction, what it looks like. This has profitability and overhead built into the budget, as well as an insurance cost. This says that the entire construction budget should be 5.2. Okay, now I'm going to show you the parts and pieces list so you guys can see exactly where every dollar is going to. And again, we do this on every project. This is highly detailed. It lists out every screw, nail, deck board, etc. We're very detailed on the front end to make sure that we don't get into trouble on the tails. So here's what a budget would look like. Down here, we have our demo because there's an existing structure. This is our concrete budget. And again, don't be intimidated by how heavily detailed this is. There's a lot going on here, but we have each individual item, quantity, how much we're going to have in waste, unit of measurement, etc. And then over here, it gives us what the totals are. The sheet's a little bit tricky to see. Here's our footings. Again, detailed list of everything that goes into our footings, quantity, waste, unit of measurement, and then at the very bottom, it will total them all together. This is a quick video. I'm going to make this video quick because I know this stuff can be kind of boring. But if you would like a longer video going in much greater detail on both the pro forma, the deal analysis side, that first sheet that I was in, or this second sheet where it's cost estimating for construction, put a comment down below and I can get into much greater detail on both of these sheets. Hope this was helpful. Hopefully you got some value out of this. If you did, please subscribe and I'll see you on the next one.